In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a video from within Canvas. So I'm in our course in the modules area. You'll want to make your way to week 5, and you're wanting to do the reading activity, the gleaning from readings. So you'll click on that discussion link, read the instructions. Of course, you'll want to have read the instructions that are provided here as well. There's much more detail in the instructions, but the point of this video is simply to show you how to create a video. So once you're ready, you'll click the reply link, and there you see the record upload media icon. So when you're ready to make the video, click that, and you're going to see a screen like this. So if I click allow, good, there I am. So I'll tip my camera a little bit so you can see me better. And I'll give myself a title. So I'd put in my chapter, the name of the book. So now the instructions say click anywhere to start recording. So you click that, and to click anywhere to stop when you're done. So you just move your cursor and then you can see when to stop. So you're recording. You don't have to worry about ums. You don't have to worry about slick. You don't have to worry about your background. But don't have a light behind you. It helps if the light is on front of you so you can see yourself better. When you're finished, you just click the button and it will play for you. Then you click saving, and there it is. There's your presentation right there. If you would like, you can add any text. You can type as you like. And there you have it. And then you can post your reply. And there it is. Ta-da! That's all there is to it. So in this video, you saw how to make a video from within Canvas.